The tactile experience of working with glue and paint provides a unique sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Engaging in these activities significantly enhances fine motor skills. Hobby shops act as treasure troves, brimming with diverse model kits, paints, and materials that foster hands-on creativity. These shops serve as vibrant community hubs for enthusiasts across all ages. The assortment of products available, including model trains, cars, and rockets, highlights the rich diversity of interests within the hobbyist community. This variety enables personalized experiences for each individual. In the 1930s and 40s, wooden models like balsa wood gliders, cars, airplanes, and boats gained popularity. This period marked the onset of widespread model building as a cherished pastime. Founded in 1943, Revell emerged as a significant player in the model industry by pioneering the use of plastic model kits. This innovation allowed for more accurate and detailed representations of vehicles. The evolution of model building reflects broader trends in hobbies and leisure activities during the mid-20th century. The transition from wood to plastic illustrates notable technological advancements in manufacturing. Companies like Aurora and Monogram began to produce plastic model kits, moving away from traditional aluminum models. This shift represented a significant transformation in the modeling industry during the 1950s. As video games emerged in the 1980s, the number of young model builders saw a dramatic decline. The once thriving hobby now faced fierce competition from new forms of entertainment. Despite this decline, some hobby shops persist, offering a nostalgic connection to childhood for former model builders. These shops serve as a reminder of their past interests in modeling.